Hello friends, this is round 11 of Crochet Mandala, and as before I will start by explaining the diagram. And on this round I'm using TRs again, and so we begin the round with making two TRs on the next chain 3 space, and here's the 2 TR on actual work, and this is made on the over the chain 3 space of previous round. Chain 7, this one, and another, make 2 TRs again on the same space, these 2 here, then chain 2, 1 2 1 2, and then single crochet on the third triple crochet on the next third triple crochet, 1 2 3, so right there, and then chain 3, and then single crochet on the same triple crochet stitch, and you will repeat this all around the circle. So that's how it looks like. More stitches there, and then there is the instructions that follows along the diagram. So let's begin the actual work. As you can see, I ended the work of round 10 right here, and I skipped two sets of fans, triple crochet, 5 groups of triple crochet, and hook the new yarn on this loop, and I already threaded it through, and I should be able to hide it here because this is a group of triple crochet set of 4, so it should be able to hide this tail. But on this work it will be an open work, so I will leave the yarn out of my way since I cannot cover this on this round. I only cover it at the chain 3 loop. So to start the round we chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and this count as 1 triple crochet. So I'll make the second pair of triple crochet, and chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and another 2 sets of triple crochet on the same chain 3 space, then chain 2, 1 2, and single crochet on the third triple crochet, 1 2 3, chain 3 to make a picot, 2 3, and single crochet on the same stitch. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then we repeat the triple crochet that we made here on the next chain 3 loop. And so you will repeat this instruction from here, from this triple crochet to the chain 2 all around. So let me do a few. Let me do a few. So I already made chain 2, so the next one is 2 sets of triple crochet, chain 7, two sets of triple crochet on the same chain 3 space, chain 2, and single crochet on the third triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 3 to make the picot, and single crochet on the same stitch. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Then I'm gonna hide this tail here. I should be able to hide it here. So I need to make a set of 2 triple crochet, chain 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 set. Not 2 set, that should be a set is 2 triple crochet, so it should be 1 set. The first one is this one, and this is the second set. Chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next third triple crochet, chain 3, single crochet on the same stitch, chain 2, and repeat the same instruction. And that's how it looks now. And I will repeat the pattern until I come through the last one here and the chain 2, and then hook it onto this 4th chain of the chain, the beginning chain 4. I'm now working on the last repeat of the pattern, and we are going to repeat this and this. So starting with this, three triple crochet, 2 of them on the chain 3 space, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 triple crochet on the same, chain 3, and single, all right, chain 2. It's easy to miss this chain 2. Chain 2, then single crochet on the third chain. I'm on third stitch, third triple crochet. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the same stitch, chain 2, and we're at the end of the round. Slip stitch on the fourth chain of the beginning chain 4, and fasten off. Fasten off because I'm going to use another color for the next round, which is round 12.